This is an email marketing copywriting case study for Jurassic World, the dangerous dinosaur theme park. I will cover subject lines, the pre-header, and that essential part of the email, the actual email. But first, let's answer the big copy question. Who cares? That's my mantra for all copy. Who would actually care about what I'm about to write? It's a waste of time for everyone involved if I can't answer that simple question. As far as emails go, we get a bunch of emails every day, so what kind of person would choose to open this Jurassic World email instead of all the other emails they get? Well, as a brand, Jurassic World is exclusive, visually stunning, and for families. So who should we target for this email? How about parenting influencers on social media? They'll feel good because it's an exclusive brand, and they can also show their audience. And then Jurassic World's marketing department will feel good because they'll get some solid ROI. Okay, so we know the target audience, so let's write the email. Got another question. What's the purpose of this email? I'm gonna say the purpose is to get a reply to start brokering a brand partnership with an influencer. When I write an email, I always want to only have one thing for the reader to do. Don't overcomplicate it, just keep it short and sweet. Subject line time. I love A/B testing, love it. So here are the two subject lines I would test first and then iterate from there. Subject line A, brand partnership opportunity with Jurassic World. Subject line B, does your audience love dinosaurs? Now we're at the pre-header. This is a little piece of text that shows up in someone's email as a preview. We'd love to partner with you to bring the thrills of Jurassic World to your audience. And now we get to the body copy. First, you got the intro and company hook. If we're targeting influencers that have clout, we want it to come from a person with clout. It makes the influencer feel special. Hi, first name, I'm Robert, Chief Marketing Officer at Jurassic World. Our theme park is the only place on Earth where you can interact with living, breathing dinosaurs. Yes, real dinosaurs. Then, make it personal. Have I checked out their account? Probably not, or at least haven't really dug into it. This is a numbers game. You gotta cast a wide net and see who responds. I came across your social media account handle. I'm impressed with your style and how well you engage with your audience about family-related topics. Then, you give the pitch. You just lay it out real quick, real fast. We want Jurassic World to be the next big family vacation destination, and I would love to partner with you to help spread the word. Then after the pitch, give the call to action. Please let me know if you're interested in talking more about a partnership. And then, get out of there. Best, Robert. There we go, that's the email. I'm interested to find out what subject line would you write for this email. Post your reply in the comments and check out this next video for another lesson on copywriting and marketing.